Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ channel. I am CMA Akula Sridhar, and friends, in this channel we are trying to bring you all the latest updates of government jobs in finance domain every week. So let's begin and go through the latest jobs for this week. So friends, first of all, a reminder for all those who have still not applied for these mammoth 2000 vacancies of Assistant Central Intelligence Officer at Intelligence Bureau. Go ahead and apply, as the last date is tomorrow, that is 9th January 2021. Friends, the upper age limit here is 27 years and the package would be around 8.55 lakhs gross. Moving on, friends, next vacancy is from Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, which is a deemed university. Here the recruitment is for 3 vacancies of clerk. Friends, the educational qualification asked is graduation from a recognized university with minimum 50%. Friends, the upper age limit is 28 years and the place of posting would be Mumbai. Friends, it's a permanent post, but you need to have 1 year of experience to apply for these vacancies. Friends, the package would be 4.39 lakh gross and you have to apply online to TIFR before 12th January 2021. Moving on, next vacancy is from NPS Trust for the recruitment of 4 vacancies of Grade B Manager. Friends, here the education qualification asked is master's degree in any discipline or bachelor's degree in law, a CA, CFA, CS and CMA. Friends, the upper limit is 30 years and the place of posting would be New Delhi. Friends, again a permanent post and you need to have 3 years of experience to apply for these vacancies. Friends, the per month pay scale would be between the basic pay of 35,150 to 62,400 per month. And of course, there will be addition of the DA, TPT, TPT-DA, HRA, NPS and other perks. Friends, you have to apply online before 29 January 2021. Moving on, next vacancy again from the same organization for the recruitment of Grade A Assistant Manager. Friends, here the education qualification asked is again master's degree in any discipline, bachelor's degree in law or a CA or CFA or CS or CMA. Friends, the age limit is 30 years, vacancies are 9 and the place of posting would be New Delhi. Friends, again a permanent post and you don't need to have any experience to apply for these vacancies. Friends, here the per month pay scale would be between the basic of 28,150 to 55,600 per month. And friends, you have to apply online to the NPS Trust on and before 29 January 2021. Friends, all the vacancies shown in this video, the link is given in the description box below. So those who are interested can directly click there and apply for their vacancies. Moving on, friends, next vacancy is from All India Institute of Medical Science, Mangalagiri for the recruitment of 1 post of financial advisor. Friends, here the age limit is 56 years and the place of posting would be Andhra Pradesh. Friends, here the nature of employment is on deputation. That means those who are already in government service are eligible to apply. Friends, the officers from Central Organized Account Services holding analogous post or having 5 years of experience in 7600 grade pay of 6 CPC are eligible to apply. Friends, the package would be 23 lakhs gross and you have to apply offline before 30th January 2021. Moving on, next vacancy is from Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited for the recruitment of 1 post of Assistant Grade 1 HR. Friends, here the educational qualification asked is a bachelor degree in science or commerce or arts with minimum 50% marks. Friends, the age limit is 28 years and the place of posting would be Haryana. Friends, it's a permanent post and you don't need to have an experience to apply for this vacancy. Friends, the package would be 5 lakhs gross and you have to apply online to the Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited before 25th January 2021. Moving on, next vacancy is again from the same organization for the recruitment of 1 post of Assistant Grade 1 Finance and Accounts. Friends, here the educational qualification asked is a bachelor's degree in commerce with minimum 50% marks. The age limit is 28 years. It's a permanent post and again no experience is required. Friends, the package, mode of application and last date is also same as shown in the previous slide. Moving on, friends, next vacancy is from AIMS Deoghar for the recruitment of 1 post of Accounts Officer at Jharkhand. Friends, they have not mentioned any educational qualification, but friends, this is a post on deputation for those officers who are already holding analogous post or having 7 years of experience in 4200 grade pay of 6 CPC. Friends, the package would be 11 lakhs gross and you have to apply offline to AIMS Deoghar before 2nd February 2021. Friends, next vacancy again from AIMS Deoghar for the recruitment of 1 post of financial advisor. Friends, the age limit would be 56 years. Again, a post on deputation for officers who are holding analogous post or having 5 years of experience in the GP of 7600 rupees. Friends, the package would be 23 lakhs gross and you have to apply offline before 2nd February 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology, which is under Ministry of Earth Sciences, Government of India. Friends, here the recruitment is for upper divisional clerk. The education qualification is bachelor's degree. The upper limit is 28 years and the place of posting would be Pune. Friends, it's a one vacancy post but a permanent post and you need to have 5 years of experience to apply for this vacancy. The per annum package would be 5 lakhs gross. And friends, to apply for this vacancy, you'll have to first apply online by 15th February 2021 and send a hard copy of your application to the organization before 23rd February 2021. Moving on. Friends, next a gentle reminder for those who have applied for SEBI Grade A Officer exam. Please visit financemcq.in where the entire SEBI Grade A exam technical syllabus, that is paper 2 of general stream, is brought in MCQ format. Friends, here there are 2000 plus subject wise, topic wise MCQ questions to practice and we have added explanation for correct answers wherever required. And friends, apart from this, there are 25 national level test series covering the technical syllabus for more and more practice. So friends, the exam is there on 16 January. So there are hardly 10 days left. So do visit financemcq.in and practice your technical syllabus well. Moving on. Next vacancy is from Karnataka University for the recruitment of one post of office assistant. Friends, here the place of posting is Dharwad. The educational qualification asked is either a BA or a BCom. Friends, it's a contractual post and you don't need to have experience to apply for this vacancy. But you will get a per month consolidated amount of 9,300 per month. Friends, you have to apply offline to the university before 15 January 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from the Officer of Principal Chief Commissioner of Income Tax for the recruitment of 16 posts of tax assistant and 12 posts of inspector of income tax under sports quota. Friends, the educational qualification for both the type of vacancies is bachelor's degree from a recognized university. Friends, the upper limit is 25 years and the place of posting would be Chennai. Friends, it's a permanent post and you don't need to have an experience to apply for these vacancies. Friends, the package per annum for tax assistant would be 5 lakhs gross, while for inspector of income tax it would be 8.50 lakhs gross. Friends, you have to apply online before 17 January 2021. So friends, those who meet the criteria and have the relevant sports achievements can go ahead and apply. Moving on. Friends, next vacancy is from Institute of Advanced Study in Science and Technology, which is an autonomous institute under Department of Science and Technology, Government of India. Friends, here the recruitment is for Finance and Accounts Officer. The educational qualification asked is MCom and the upper limit is 45 years and the place of working would be at Guwahati. Friends, it's a permanent post and you need to have 10 years of relevant experience to apply for these vacancies. The package would be 12.5 lakhs gross. And friends, to apply for this vacancy, you will have to first apply online by 21st January 2021 at the organization website and then again forward your application to the organization before 29 January 2021. So friends, that's all for this week. Friends, see you all next week with all the latest updates. Till then, thank you very much for watching. Take care and goodbye.